Hello everyone, good morning. This is Dr. Sonali Sajjan, Assistant Professor, Department of BCA, IIMT College of Management, Great Honor. Today I am giving the lecture on the topic of leadership and style of leadership. Let's begin. In this unit, we will learn introduction of leadership, leadership definitions, qualities of leadership, importance of leadership, styles of leadership, and factors affecting a style of leadership. And at the end, we will learn the conclusion. So first, we go through the introduction. Leadership is an integral part of management and plays a vital role in managerial operations. It provides directions, guidance, and confidence to the employees and help organizations in any attainment of goals in much easier way. It requires dominance and the followers accept the directive and control of leaders. It provides directions and visions of futures to an organization. In short, it includes individuals to contribute optimum towards the attainment of organizational goals. As we know, leadership is one of the most important part for any organization. At the head of every successful project is a great leaders, but not all great leaders are the same. There are many different ways to lead a team. Different leaders have a different trait that makes their a specific brand of leadership work. In this article, we are going to take look of the 7 different leadership styles with examples, so you can discover with one of its right leadership style where we can use our business. So let's continue with the introduction part. Leadership is the process of influencing the activities of an individual or a group in efforts towards goal achievement in a given situations. It is the art of influencing and inspiring subordinates to perform their duties willingly, completely, and enthusiastically for achievements of group of objectives. So we come to after the introductions, we go through the definitions. Like leadership can be defined as the ability to guide and influence others towards achieving a common goal, effective managing, resourcing, and inspiring individual to maximizing their potential. There are some importance of leadership, as we earlier told you that leadership role is a driver of any organizations. The role of leadership is a driving organizational success. Leadership is a crucial in organization as it provides guidance, directions, and motivations to employee, fosters a positive work culture, and ensure to achievement of organizational goals and objectives. What are the purpose of presentations? The purpose of this presentation is to outline the objective of the presentation, which is to discuss various aspects of leadership and leadership styles, their importance in organization, and their impact of organizational success. This unit, you will be a study on the BCA as well as the BCom and MCom and MBA as well. This is one of the most important chapter for each and every classes. The different leadership style has divided into mainly 5 categories, that is autocratic leadership, democratic leadership, laissez-faire leadership, transformational leadership, and transactional leadership. Apart from this, servant leadership is also the part of the styles. So we go through one by one. Is autocratic leadership. A leadership style characterized by centralized decision making and strict control over team members, where the leader has full authority and responsibility. Autocratic leadership is a style of a leadership in which the leader makes decisions without consulting others, exercises complete control over their team members, and expect strict compliance with their instructions and rules. In this leadership, where we can see the power is all in the central, means a central have a power to take the decision and give the work to complete within a time. Second one is democratic leadership. Under this leadership, we can say exploring the power of shared decision making. Generally, this democratic leadership is widely used where the leadership style where leaders involves team members in the decision making process, promoting collaborations, open communication, and empowerment. Before giving the task, they have to take the decision from the as a meeting or talking with each other. That communication is very much open, and they have to provide, each and every member have to provide their thoughts and take the decisions. Third one is laissez-faire leadership. A hands-off approach of leadership. Laissez-faire leadership is a style where leaders adopt a hands-off approach, giving employees autonomy and freedom to make decisions and complete tasks, which can be effective to promoting creativity and innovations, but may also lead to lack of guidance and accountability. Transformational leadership. It is an inspiring leadership style. Under this leadership style, where leaders inspire and motivate their followers to achieve their full potential and exceed their own expectations through charismatic leadership, intellectual stimulations, individualized considerations, and idealized influence. Next one is transactional leadership. A style focused on rewards and punishment based on performance and compliance. Transactional leadership style of leadership that focus on rewards and punishment based on performance and compliance, where leaders set clear goals and expectations, establish a system of reward and punishment, and monitor and control the performance of their subordinates to achieve desired result. So there are leadership style or leadership, what they impact on organizational success. We will go through their advantage and disadvantage. So we will categorize advantage of each leadership style and disadvantage of each leadership style. First, we go through the advantage of each leadership style. First one, autocratic leadership. As we know, they have a power in a central, allows for the quick decision making and efficient task completion. Means, first, if something is going with the team, they have to take decision from the higher authority. Then they put their task for the completion. So it will take more time, as well as the workers or the team, they don't have a power to take the decision. First, they have to take the decision from the higher authority and then completion the task. So it shows little efficiency towards the workers, towards the team, and they don't want to show their talent over there. Democratic leadership encourages teamwork and collaborations, resulting in increased employee satisfaction and creativity. As we know, democratic leadership, they have a power to give their decision, as well as they have a open communications where they collaborate their thoughts, where they share their thoughts, and where they create new decisions and they create new ideas. So in the democratic leadership, they increases that one. Third, laissez-faire leadership. Foster independence and autonomy among employees, leading to increased motivations and innovations. Laissez-faire, as we know, they have a free to work according to their creativity, according to their decision. And in this leadership, they are independent. So they increase the motivation as well as innovations to completions the work. Transformational leadership. The advantage of transformational leadership to inspire and motivates employees to achieve their full potential, resulting to improve performance and employees' engagement. As we know, they have a motivate to their higher authority and also learn the full potential, and the result of the any company will go very good. Next, transactional leadership provides clear expectations and rewards for performance, leading to increased productivity and goal attainment. As we know, if some reward over there the work, then this is a common thing. The people wanted to achieve that reward, achieve their performance, and enhance their they give their 100% output over there. So this leadership also work over there. Servant leadership promotes employees' development and well-being, resulting in higher job satisfaction and loyalty. So after seeing the advantage of leadership style, we will go through the disadvantage of leadership style one by one. First one, autocratic leadership can lead to low employee morale and motivated due to lack of involvement and decision makers making power. Means they don't have in autocratic leadership, as we see, means they have to work according what their higher authority says, and they don't put their mind and creativity towards their work. So their morale become down, and the motivations is also become low to the employees, and it's very difficult to take the decisions for the organizations. Democratic leadership can lead to slower decision-making process due to the need of consensus and input from multiple stakeholders. In the democratic leadership, generally it has a lots of advantage, but apart from the advantage, there is some disadvantage, like due to everyone minds they use, and they don't means they took a lot of time for putting the right decision over there. So it's slower in the decision making process, and due to inputs of multiple stakeholders, so sometimes decision also become wrong. Laissez-faire leadership can result a lack of directions and coordinations, because in this laissez-faire leadership, as we see, people are free to completion their work according to their creativity and their work style. So the lack of the directions from where we get from the higher authority, so within the team it's lacking over there, and the leading of confusion and efficiency, because they are not getting any directions from the higher, so they become the confusion and the inefficiency, and it shows the inefficiencies in the work. Transformational leadership may create dependency on leaders, as in the transformational leadership, as we see, we motivated from the higher authority what they did, but as the time changes and we have to update it every day, so it's totally depends on the leader how they did, and totally we copied them, we can say, making it difficult to organizations to function effectively in their absence. Suppose the higher authority was absent, it's very difficult to work complete. Last one, transactional leadership focus more on short-term goals and reward rather the long-term strategic vision. As we see, if there is a reward in some organizations, then what the employees did, that they have to complete their goals. They wanted to show their numbers. They wanted to just add their numbers to for the reward purpose. But for the long-term strategies, how to organizations means go in the higher position, on the top position, so that visions goes, they have a focus only the short-term rewards, which can limit the organization's growth and innovation. So we have seen so many leadership styles, so it is very difficult to find out which leadership style for a specific situation. So it is very difficult to choose the right leadership style for the specific situation, selecting the appropriate leadership style. Choosing the right leadership style for a specific situation involves assessing the needs of the situation. As per the situations, what your situations demand, we have to choose leadership styles. Like sometimes we have to choose the autocratic styles. Sometimes we have to choose the transformational leadership style according to the circumstances and the demands. Understanding the strengths and weakness of different leadership style and matching the style in the specific requirements to the maximize effectiveness and achieve desired outcomes. So first we have to know the what are the strength of that organizations and what are the weakness of the organizations, as well as what are the strength and weakness of employees. We have to choose the leadership style according to the situation and matching the style in a specific requirements. What are the our requirements? Means what our organizations demands on so how our organizations maximize the effectiveness and to achieve desired outcomes. So we sharply choose desired or sharply choose the leadership styles for achieving the organization's desired. So we go through the so many slides, and we come to know that different types of leadership styles and leadership as well, and an overview of different leadership styles such as autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire. And what are the impact of organizational success? Means how organization success by using leadership styles and according to their circumstances, and exploring how different leadership style can impact the success of an organization. So under this unit, we will learn that as it's very difficult to lead the team, where it's very difficult to lead the employee because we have to see first of the potential. So this unit will provide you to how to work efficiently and how to work efficiently and how to lead the team with employees, and how to make employee to more comfortable as more creative to complete their task and achieve the desired goals of an organization. So thank you so much. I think you know the overall objectives and leadership style and leadership and the importance of leadership. So under this unit, we learned a lot of things over there. So thank you so much.